90 and 200 is not right. Our puzzle is this: 2, 4, 9, 20, 40. Then what is after that? Pause this video to see if you can come up with the two numbers, and again, they're not 90 and 200. But as always, we're going to dive in and solve this problem. Okay, 2 to 4. I added 2 to get that. 4 to 9, pretty simple, that's a 5. 9 to 20, well, we're adding 11. And 20 to, well, 40 gives me a plus 20. I don't see really a pattern here that is going on, so let's continue through the problem. Let's try another one. Well, 2 to 5 is a plus 3. 5 to 11, though, gives me a plus 6. Maybe I have a pattern here. And 11 to 20 is a plus 9. I think I see a pattern now, some constant. We're adding by 3s. 3 to 6 is a plus 3, and 6 to 9 is a plus 3. So if we wanted this pattern to continue, a plus 3 from 9 is a 12, and 20 plus 12 gives me that 32. And so our first number here is a 32. Continue the pattern again. Plus 3 from 12 gives me a plus 15. Apply that plus 15 to a 32, and I get a 47. So from there, 32 plus 15, 47. 47 is the second number. Did you get 32 and 47? If you did, way to go. If you didn't, but you learned something, that's awesome. And if you have another way these two numbers could be at the end, please let me know down in the comment section below. But as always here, thanks for watching.